Hi, my name's Kevin Berg with Copperhead Ag, and we're here at Innovative Ag by Bridgewater, South Dakota today. And I just wanted to show you some of the upgrades that we've done to our planter for this year. So the first thing I'll talk about is the Sabertooth row cleaner. It's an offset design to help prevent plugging. We've got concavity on the disc, which helps roll the trash out of the way instead of just pushing it out of the way. And then we have an Ag Extreme bearing, which is going to be, it's a high quality, reliable bearing, trouble-free. So that kind of touches on the row cleaner. Right behind the row cleaner is the Nutrimate system. This is going to allow us to place fertilizer either on one side of the row or both sides of the row. Added it on both sides of the row so we could get nitrogen placed on both sides of the row. So that way the roots are not favoring one side or the other, and we're feeding that plant from both directions. The unique thing about the Nutrimate, it is a double disc opener system. So we are spreading the ground apart and we are placing that fertilizer exactly where it needs to be. The nice thing about this system is we can run the Nutrimate and the row cleaners all in one. So it is just one bolt-on package. And so it's nice and clean and it fits on the front end of the planter. The next thing we have are the new Extreme gauge wheel arm. Inside here, there's no more bushings. It's just a simple bearing. And then we also have a stud that threads into the planter. So doing maintenance or adjusting, it's just simply a matter of loosening the bolt, taking it off, and sliding it back on for any adjustment. And then finally, we have the closing wheels, the Copperhead Furrow Cruiser closing wheels that have been proven for over 10 years. And they just do a phenomenal job of tucking and packing the dirt in around the seed bedder. So the main reason we did this was to basically see how hard we could push the crops throughout the year. We've got the option to run liquid nitrogen on both sides of the row, and then we also have the ability to do in-furrow. So we'll be testing different combinations throughout the whole planting season to see what works best on our farm. The other thing that we're going to be doing is we also set it up with variable rate, both seed and fertilizer, and full row shut-off control for both seed and fertilizer to make sure that we're just utilizing our inputs the best that we can.